U.S. American title match between Jabo and George Cott. First coming out is the American champion, Jabo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the challenger. He's had the world title probably more than the titles existed. George Cott. TC. This is going to be quite the match, I can see. Oh, I believe so. There he is, slowly making his way to the ring. Looks like he's knocked up nice out. Yeah, everybody back there watching. We got a pretty good crowd out there, don't we? Yeah, this is the first time in a long time we've had crowd. Yeah. For the event, but the American title match. And they are starting off strong, swinging hard. And Jabo, you seen him, he went crazy on Grimchild. And let's go see if he'll go crazy on the crazy man himself. Oh, qualified. And now he's out. They're going hardcore at it. Now, he picks up a shot. Nails him hard with that chair. Oh, and again. Oh, right in the knee. He's got him. Goes to the corner. And there, oh, he's kicking him away. And Jabo is killing George Cott. Mercy. And there, he's going out the right now. He slides him on out. Now you can see George Cott is stumbling out. George Cott's hurt. George Cott's hurt. George Cott claims to be the hardcore icon, but I think we see Jabo is, you know, the hardcore icon. And now George Cott comes to running at him, and now he's firing back. He's mad. He's mad because he got hit with stuff, and he didn't like it. And he throws him into the pole. And he throws his head, bounces his head. Hold on. Oh, he's picked up it. Oh! George Cott kills him. Oh, look at this. And again, and Jabo is hurt. Jabo is getting it took to him here pretty good. Oh, yeah. Some hardships up there. Oh, he just throws his neck across. He's choking him. That's what he's doing. He's a choking and the American champion. And the rest like trying to break it up. You can't choke, but you can imprint a chair on his head. And there, now he's going to be. You can see him. Now he's doing that. Oh, man. Drops the elbow right across his throat. And there goes Jabo, a slip sliding away out of the ring. Now he goes it. Oh! I believe you can read Jabo's back and find out what Pops' menu was a long time ago now. There. Now Jabo's back up, just like he didn't even phase his PC. I know. And then he just, oh! Kills him with that chair. Oh, and again. Oh, hit him hard with that. George kind of just
taking him.
Yeah, George kind of.
He started giving him J-Bo.
He had J-Bo going there pretty good. But J-Bo turned the tables and it shows George kind that he got that American title for a reason. There you see, he's a little bit on crack like his friend G-Bo. He's falling in the ring here and stuff, but he's okay. Sets him up for the ride. There's up. Power slam. There, and now J-Bo's on top of him. He's on top of his game now. He drops a hard elbow. And there now J-Bo, he's bringing that chair in there.
He's up in the ring now. He's got
Oh, man.
Oh!
Oh, and again.
Oh!
Georgetown got hit right in the arm there. Oh, J-Bo point. Man, oh, the J-Bo hammer!